This is a shorter version of our video titled Visual Phonics for Family Sound Groups. This video will be focusing on the hot sound. Remember, the hot sound is made by opening the mouth and blowing air from the back of the mouth. This group includes H. Here is a picture of the visual phonic symbol, and now that we know what the symbol looks like, here is the visual prompt for it.
It's hot, when something's really hot.
Now that we remember what the visual phonic prompt is, we will be showing you some examples of the sound in the beginning of the word.
So we have